This video is about evidence. Information about the North Sea pipeline failure is all over the media in reports, opinions, photographs and video clips. The attention of the global public is focused on pipelines, but the attention span of the average person is about 20 minutes. Media stories are spread virally to billions of people and in the process get distorted. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but pictures can be photoshopped. Videos can be selected and played out of context to induce misunderstanding. We must base our conclusions on data, repeatable experimentation and observations from many perspectives. Fake news cannot be unpublished. It can be denied or refuted, but that only increases interest and doubt. A pipeline is a means of transport that cannot be derailed, have a collision, make a driver error, lose its way, or be held up by traffic congestion. So pipelines are a good way of transporting. A buried pipeline causes less environmental change than roads or rail. Corrosion is an electrochemical reaction that dissolves metal. I have studied corrosion control in pipelines and facilities since 1970. I have investigated pipeline failures due to corrosion. I can demonstrate the way that we measure corrosion and have samples of corrosion to destruction. I can represent the evidence in this document to any scientist, institution, tribunal or court. Corrosion can be accelerated by increasing the electrical energy discharged into the electrolyte. I successfully investigated accelerated corrosion on 2 flow lines in the Eastern Division of Shell BP Nigeria that had leaked several times between the time when they were newly installed and my appointment as ENG 18 corrosion engineer. I stopped the corrosion of these 2 pipelines and 18 years later had it confirmed that they had not leaked since my intervention. I detected accelerated corrosion on the export pipeline at Bonny Terminal and was able to prevent a leak. I recently learned that the export pipeline at Fort Cardis has leaked and put that pipeline out of action for several months. It is likely that this has been caused by accelerated corrosion, but a terrorist group are claiming that they blew it up. There are no reports of an explosion in this case, and the leak had to be excavated to repair the pipe by a leak clamp that could not have been applied to a burst pipe.